Welcome to step 3, the empathy map. You have talked to a lot of people, you have observed a lot of settings, and now you've done some clustering of some themes. The time has come for you to begin to solidify all of that information into one or more typical users. You can think of the empathy map as the construction of a fictional real person who is your prototypical user. Now, let's talk about how you do that. The empathy map is made up of 4 sections: what users say, what users think, what users do, and what users feel. To populate this empathy map, you take note of all 4 of those traits of your users, what they say, think, do, and feel, and put them in these sections of the map. Let's go over each one in turn. Under says, what are some of the quotes and defining words that your users said? Put those sticky notes here, one per idea, with the quotes, and maybe some key words that you feel are salient to those quotations. Put as much of those here as you can. You may find some from step 1 and step 2, or they may be new ideas, quotes that you have come up with because you're inspired by the previous steps. Now, under thinks, what are some things that your user might be thinking? And what does this tell you about their beliefs? So, in this section, put down some of their motivations, their goals, their needs and desires. And what do those things tell you about their beliefs? You're allowed to have a little poetic license here, so talk amongst your team members about what this might mean from a human perspective. Down below, we have do and feel. So, what did the users actually do? Do they do things differently than what they say or what they think? Put some stickies here that describe actions and behaviors that you noticed, or it could be pictures or drawings. And then over here, some emotions, the feelings. What are some emotions that your subjects might be feeling? How do they tend to feel in the situation that you're studying, that you're working on, the challenge? Take the subtle cues, like some body language that you notice during interviews or any kind of words or tone of voice. That can all go right here. Fill this up as much as you can. And if you have more than one user that seems different enough, you can have more than one empathy map. If the needs and interests and desires and feelings of the user that you are focusing on can be distilled into one prototypical person, this fictional real person, then yes, one map is fine. If, however, you feel like you have different stripes of users, maybe there's another one, maybe there are 2, then you can make another empathy map because their feelings and desires and what they say and do is different and therefore deserves to be shown. Have fun with it and let me know if you have any questions.